Oka TV Shopping. Hello, today's product is this railway crossing. This looks like a railway crossing, but it protects your crops. It is sad if your crops are eaten by pests. Are you suffering from pest control? Recent pests are clever, so conventional squirrels will not be used. I will recommend this railway crossing to you. It has a built-in pest control device. First, this will detect the pest in this part. Second, if it finds a pest, it will warn with a red light. Third, when the pest enters the farm, it sounds a warning tone. But, clever pests will enter the farm. Finally, this will automatically drive and threaten the pest. For animal welfare, the bar is soft. This is the wonderful railway crossing. When charging, it will automatically return to the charging facility. Because it can repel the thief, I recommend it to those who do not have farmland. If you buy it now, you will get free the attachment bar set. If you change the attachment bar, it plows the field. It also becomes high pruning shears. It will also be your practice partner. Limited time only. Don't miss it.